Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have a heartwarming tale to share with you, a journey of friendship, courage, and discovery. Get ready to embark on an incredible adventure with a boy and a robot in just 200 words. Meet Sam, a curious and resourceful young boy with a dream of fixing old robots. He stumbles upon R1, a rusty, forgotten robot, in a field. Together, Sam and R1 embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of a world long forgotten, now overtaken by nature. As they travel, they encounter breathtaking landscapes and peculiar relics of the past. Their journey is not without challenges, but their unwavering friendship and trust in each other see them through. Sam and R1 save lives, mend broken spirits, and create a sense of hope in their world. In their quest for knowledge, Sam and R1 stumble upon a hidden library, a treasure trove of wisdom. They learn about the world's past, and the secrets it holds. As their journey comes to an end, Sam and R1 have not only repaired the robot but also discovered the strength of friendship and the power of knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Remember, it's not the destination that matters, but the friends we make along the way. If you enjoyed this story of adventure and friendship, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more inspiring tales. Until next time, keep exploring.